So guys, welcome back to our online English learning challenge. Yesterday I was not free, so I not able to make full video through talking you and learning English online. So I upload a short video in my shop. There was my shop. I describe how was I am work in my shop, so you you can know. So today I was make full video through learning English online. So guys, let's get start. So then other day, in past day I learned English through word power dictionary. That word power made easy this book I read 5 pages. So today I read next another pages. So guys, let's do it. So first I open the word power 5 book. Past yesterday I was read, and this was and the and past I read 5 page complete. So today I read 6 page, starting 6 page and continue. So guys, let's start. So 6 word power made easy. How to talk about personality type. Season 1-3. Word that describe all kind of sports of people, including terms for self-interest, reactions to the world, attitude to other, skill and awakeness, material state, tender of man, of woman and of marriage. How one season of pleasant work can add more word to your vocabulary than the average adult learn in an entire year. Why it is necessary to develop a comfortable time schedule and then stick to it. Fourth, how to talk about doctors. Season 4-6. Word that relate to medical specialist and specialties, terms for expert in this disorders of the female organs, childhood disease, skin ailments, skeletal deformities, heart ailments, disorders of the nerves, mind and personality. How self-discipline and persistence will ultimately lead to complete mystery over world. 5. How to talk about various practitioners. Season 7-10. Word that describe a variety of professions, including those dealing with the human mind, teeth, version, feel, handwriting, egging, etc. How you are becoming more and more conclusions of the new word you meet in your reading. How to talk about science and scientist. Season 11-13. Word that describes student of human development, of the heavens, of the earth, of planet and animal life, of insect form, of word and language, of social organization. My little word was my some reading word in this book was some mispronunciation and some broken. So I work their words, so please attach with me. So, how to talk about liars and lying? Word that accurately label different type of liar and lying. Terms of relate of fame, artistry, reform, heredity, time, place, suffering, etc. For lasting benefit you have begun to acquire for from your work in vocabulary building. Vocabulary was not, I'm not sound correct. This is a vocabulary building. How to check your progress? Comprehensive test. First, season 18, a 120 term test of your learning in a part 1. Part 2, gaining increased momentum. How to talk about action? Season 1923. Verbs that accurately describe important human activity. Exclusions into expressive terms for good and evil, doing, saying, wishing, and placing. Further proof that you can learn in a few weeks or less more new word than the average adult learn in an entire year. How to talk about various speech habit. Word that explore in depth all degree and kinds of talk and silence. How to insult your enemies. Season 28-31. Terms of describe and disciplinarian today double poverty women flag where professors of a one-track mind free thinker suffer from imaginary element etc. So I read 6th and 7th page completely, then I move 8th page. So 8th page, exclusions into word relating to father and mother, murder of all sports, sexual desire, and various manias and probes. How to flutter your friend. Flutter. Season 32-37. Terms of describe friendliness, energy, honesty, mental kindness, keenness, bravery, charm, sophistication, and excursions into expensive word that refer to way of eating and drinking, believing and disbelieving, looking and seeing, facing the present, past, and future, and living in the city and country. How the new word or learning have begin influence you talking. How to check your progress. Comprehensive test. Second, a 120 term test of your achievements in part second. Part third, finishing with the feeling of complete success. How to talk about common pronomens and occurations. 393. Word for poverty and wealthy, direct and indirect, ammunition, not calling a spade banter, and other light talk animal like contentment, homesickness, meat eating, and different kind of secrecy, exclusions into terms expressive of goodness, of happiness, phraseology of human similarity to various animal, of kind of sound, etc. How to reach to the new word you meet in your reading. How to talk about what go on. Verbs that show exclusion, criticism, self-sacrifice, respiration, mental stagnation, pretense, hinting, smoothing, sympathizing, indecision, etc. How you can increase your vocabulary by picking your friend brain. How to talk about variety of person, characteristics, and adjectives that describe sincere humility, distinction, snowberry, courtesy of women, financial embarrassment, sadness, etc. How to increasing your vocabulary and begin to change the intellectual claim of your life. How to check your progress, comprehensive test third, a 120 item test of achievement in part third. How to check your standing as an amateur entomologist, answer that tears question in chapter 379, 12 and 14, 16. How to keep building your vocabulary, the 5 simple but virtual steps to take so that you can keep your vocabulary even developing, even increase. How your vocabulary will continue to grow only if you remain on the search for new idea. The best mean of making this search successfully. So guys, today I read 6, 7, 8 and 9 page. So the video was very long, so some talk with you and then I stopped this video there because my total video length was average 15 minutes. So I talk about myself. My name Narayan, and in 2026 and I completely learn English spoken, reading, writing. This was my goal, so I continue practicing and learning English through online, reading books and watching English movie and videos. So guys, please support me, because you support me, my growth was next level. My what kind of word say a high level of success, motivation. My motivation was high. So you just one like and my motivation was go on higher and higher. So my motivation was go higher and I work more and more in English. So guys, please like and subscribe. So this video was end here. Thank you. Dhanyawad. Jai Shri Radhe.